How to use filters and presets in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app on your device and load the project where you want to apply filters or presets. Next, tap on the video clip in your timeline to bring up the editing tools. Now look for the filters or presets option in the toolbar. Filmmaker Pro offers a variety of filters such as cinematic, vintage, black and white, and more. You can also find preset combination that automatically adjusts brightness, contrast, saturation, and other settings for a professional look. Tap on any filter or preset to preview it on your video. You can swipe through multiple options to see which one fits your style best. Once you find the filter or preset you like, tap the check mark to apply it. You can also adjust the intensity of the effect using the slider for a more subtle or dramatic look. After applying the filters or presets, play the video to make sure it looks perfect. If needed, you can layer multiple filters or combine them with other editing tools like color correction and effects. Now you know how to use filters and presets in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tools. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.